So we all know today, right? Even you watching me here, right? Our wallets, right, is the last thing you want to let anybody, just have access to, right? Because it's so much value that we have in our wallet. Going from cash to credit card and debit card and all that wallet. Okay, so the focus of the video today in our journey with our collective project Pi will be talking about the wallet. Okay, so how do you create your wallet? Now, for those one who are already in this journey with us, this will be a very straightforward process. But if this is your first time and you still not informed and you just heard this here about the Pi project, you feel like how to join, you'll see in the description we have also our invitation code. You can use that, but just take the time because this is a public. Take the time just to introduce yourself if you do that. So for those one who are already part of our community, it's very important to build your wallet. So how do you do that? Right? That's the question. And again, today the video will focus on then the process of creating that wallet. So in the menu, on your left, the stack, the hamburger stack, if we can design that way, we can call it that way. You go in the menu, you click on Pi browser. So I know there are many questions or there are many confusion. Why do we have two apps, right? The developers are still working on it to make a decision on, do we have to merge the mining and the wallet, or can we still have them separate? But that doesn't matter for us pioneers and users, right? So you click on Pi browser. That's the first thing that you need to be able to do. And for for a time period, it can be also found from your main dashboard. Create your wallet, you can click on that. But I think in the menu is the one that will last, because the home page will change over time. Okay, so menu, Pi browser. So when you click on that, the second thing you need to do is to download the app. Okay, you'll find the app just like you download the mining app. You'll find the app on Google Play and Google Pay and the Apple Store, right? And then you use the same identification that you use for your mining app, right? Don't for If you created your mining app through the phone number or the Facebook page, it will ask you all that for you to go through. So that's the second thing that you'll have to go through. The third one is the app. Once you have the app, you log in, you within the app. In the process, the third main thing is the generation, okay, or the creation of your first. I think first the one that come is your private key. Okay, so this level is very important. There will be a private key, there will be a public key in step 4, okay, our fourth step. So the private key is something that you need to save somewhere. Remember, it's like your safe at your house, right? Where you have your money, you have your gold, you have your silver, whatever that is valuable to you. There is a code to have access to that. So if everybody knows it, right, they can then open your safe anytime. Same thing in the digital wallet. So the private key is for you to keep. It comes as a randomized word, as a sentence, okay? But it's just random. Now, once you have that, save it. You will use it to always have access to your digital wallet. Then you move to phase 4, which is the phase where you will have the system or the app will generate a public key for you. Now the public key is the one that you can give to people to receive money, to receive the cryptocurrency, or to send the cryptocurrency. You'll be using that one. That's your identification. Remember, the beauty with the blockchain is that everything is decentralized. Everything is public. But on the public, on the testnet or Pi Explorer, so for people to see who's doing the transaction, is not our names that will come, but our public identification. Okay, so now once you finish having the system create your public key and your private key, you can now test. Right now, if you just join or if you already part, we are going through the test time until end of 2021 or early 2022. So during that time, you can still test how to send and how to receive. So take time and test that. Testing is very important to make sure that you get a good mastery of how the wallet function. In our next video, I will talk a little bit about the process of testing. So you don't want to miss that one. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. Remember, our whole philosophy is very simple. When you don't know where you're going, look back from where you came from. And I'll see you in the next video on how to test, Pi, how to use the test Pi. They're not real tokens. They're not the tokens that you're collecting every 24 hours. These are just Pi allocated just for the test process. I'll see you in the next video.